Welcome to the attic. I certainly had some other projects I wanted to do today, but this is something kind of mundane. It's not enough sun for me to do some hot water testing. Doing laundry right now. You might hear the machine in the background. And I picked up these a while ago. These are Nite lights. They're 110 volts. And I have two of them. I got one in the kitchen and one in the bathroom, and they help maneuvering around at night should you have to get up. And I found them at a garage sale. I think they were 50 cents for two in a package, and I figured that's kind of nice for a case. My house is wired for 12 volts, and all my AC outlets have 12 volts on them. So it's very easy to take one of these and throw it in. So yeah, I was looking at these and I thought I could use two more, so I've gone converting these. But it has a little photocell here, and if you cover it, the light turns on. These draw so little current, I don't know why you'd want to even turn them off. But inside is a pretty much standard capacitive dropping supply. The only thing really unusual about this is this high ohmage resistor right here, 4.7K. Usually these are in the, couple hundred ohm range, down to about, 27 ohms. And there's a capacitor. It's marked 684, so that's 0.68 microfarads. Kind of a large value. I was kind of surprised at that. But so you have this resistor for surge. You have this to drain off the 510K to drain off the capacitance should you unplug it and then someone stick their hand on this. And you have two diodes. Well, the capacitor will charge up, and once it's charged up, it's not going to pass any more current. So you have to have a way to discharge it, and that's through this diode here. And then you just have a capacitor running. And there are a lot of, the reason I doing this is there's a lot of products that you have, which I have little time clocks, timers that turn on off at a certain time, and they use the same kind of supply. And they're supplying a 24 volt relay or a 12 volt relay. But what I've done with this is I've removed these three parts, and really didn't need to do that. The capacitor was right here. I bridged across a 1.2K ohm resistor because I wanted to have a slightly, not as bright LED. And I could have left everything in place, but, parts are parts, and I like to have them. Why go out and spend money? It's never going to be used for anything else. So, yeah, I can always use a diode capacitor, 150K resistor. I just put them in a bin, and that's what I do everything with. When I was a little kid, just 10, 12 years old, I used to sneak into the town dump with a wire cutter, and I had a little lunch pail, and I'd take a screwdriver, take TVs apart, and I'd get in there and cut away all the parts. That's how I started in electronics, and it's never left me. I'll have a whole batch of brand new parts, and I'll go digging around for 10 minutes trying to find something old. Hate to waste new parts. But it's a pretty simple way to convert a lot of things. Thought it might be interesting to someone. But like I say, there's a lot of little small AC devices out there that use this type of supply. And, if you have a 24 volt relay, you're not going to run it on a 12 volt battery. But there's many other things. Sometimes I take out the relay and just put in a transistor or a FET, drive that. And that works nice. But, yeah, simple little thing to do. Just, short out that capacitor or put a little dropping resistor in there, additional, to make sure you don't burn out centers and everything else. So that's it. And hopefully I'll have something better in a couple days when the sun comes back.